Hello listeners, today we are going to discuss some more important problems related to application of trigonometry and height and distance of class 10th of Telangana State Boards, AB State Board, CBSE and ICSE. These topics are same for all these boards, so some important problems related to the topics we will today in this video. In our previous videos we have discussed some problems related to this topic. If you missed that video, just go to the links given below this video. Let's start solving this problem. Okay, two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other. This is one pole, this is one poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road. This is your road, okay, which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, suppose between them one point is there on the road, the angle of elevation of top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree. This is your 60 degree, okay, 60 degree, and this is your 30 degree, okay, this is your 30 degree. Just give name to your right angle triangle ABC, D and E. So what we have to find? We have to find the height of a pole. And AB and DE, these are parallel lines. So parallel lines means this height is same as this height. Parallel lines are equal. So what is your AD? AD is width of road. Okay, width of road of 80 meters. Okay, what is your AB and DE are poles. They are poles of equal heights. Poles of equal heights means AB must be equal to DE. And C is a point on road. We have given one point on road as C. Okay, so what is your angle ACB? That is of 30 degree. What is your angle DCE? It is of 60 degree. Let's find out angle ACB, angle DCE. Okay, AD, complete road 80 meter up to AC. What is the height? We don't know. From CT2, what is the height? We don't know. So if you find any one of this height, AC or CD, you will get the other side distance also. Okay, let's find out in triangle ACB. What is your ACB? Okay, in triangle ACB you got is tan C. Tan C, what is opposite by adjacent? What is your opposite? AB. What is your adjacent? AC. What is tan C? Tan C is nothing but your tan 30 degree AB by AC. We don't know the height, we don't know the distance of your AC. So what is your tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 equal to AB by AC. First we will find out the AC. Okay, then we will go for the height. Just cross multiply it. What you will get? What is your AC is equal to AB root 3. This is your first equation. In your triangle DCE, what is your tan C is equal to DE by CD. What is your tan C? Tan C is nothing but 60 degree equal to DE by CD. Okay, what is your tan 60? That is your root 3 equal to DE by CD. Just cross multiply it. What you will get? CD is equal to DE by root 3. Okay, this is your second equation. What is your distance AD? Okay, AD is nothing but your AC plus CD. Then only you will get the width of a road. Okay, so What is your AD? AD is nothing but 80 meters. What is your AC? AC is AB root 3. What is your CD? CD is nothing but 2D root 3. You can also write it at AC plus CD is equal to AD. Just substitute AC value. AB root 3 plus what is your CD? CD is nothing but DE root 3. Okay? DE root 3 is equal to 80. Just consider that DE and AB are equal because they are parallel. So parallel lines are equal, but AB is equal to DE, or you can write DE is equal to AB. Okay, just substitute AB root 3 plus AB by root 3 is equal to 80. Just take out the LCM. Just take out the LCM. Just take out the LCM. So what you will get LCM? Root 3 AB root 3 plus AB equal to 80 okay, equal to 80. So what you will get? Root 3 into root 3, what you will get? 3AB plus AB, okay, 3AB plus AB equal to 80 root 3. 3AB plus 1AB is equal to 4AB equal to 80 root 3. Okay, AB is equal to 80 root 3 by 4. 4 to the 8, 20 root 3. So what is your AB value is? Okay, this is your figure. Okay, what is your figure? This will be your figure, no? See, this is your 30 degree, this is your 60 degree, this is your A, B, C, D, E, this is your 80 degree. What is your AB? 20 root 3. If AB is 20 root 3, D is also 20 root 3. So, what is your height? Height of a pole is equal to 20 root 3. Okay, our next problem is two poles are standing opposite to each other's side. Suppose this is one pole, this is one pole which are standing opposite to each other on a road which is 90 feet, which is 90 feet high. Okay, the angle of elevation from bottom up, suppose this is your first pole, this is your second pole. What is the problem? Just read it carefully. The angle of elevation from bottom of the first pole, this is your bottom of the first pole to the top of the second pole, is 45 degree, and the angle of elevation from bottom, this is bottom of your second pole to the top of the first pole, okay, to the bottom of the first pole. What is your angle? Angle is 30 degree. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the height of a pole. Just give the name. A, B, okay, A, B, C and D. Okay. So first we have to find out any triangle. You can find out ABD, or you can find DCB. Okay, DCB. Just let's find out. First, what is your solution? And one more thing you should remember, that if any root 3 is there, you have to substitute root 3 with 1.732. So first to find out angle AB and D. A, B and D. What I said? Angle ABD, this one. Angle ABD. What is your angle ABD is? Nothing but tan angle ABD. Angle ABD means 30 degree you are getting. Okay. Tan 30 degree equal to, okay, tan 30 degree equal to, so what is opposite by adjacent? We have to find out the height. We have to find out the height. Just give name to here x and we have to give the name here as y. Okay, y, x and y, x and y. Just give x by, what is your, this one, adjacent will be your 90 degree. So what is your tan 30? Tan 30 is nothing but 1 upon root 3 equal to x by 90. Cross multiplied it. What value you will get at? X equal to 90 into 90 by root 3. 90 by root 3. In denominator, if you are getting root 3, you have to rationalize by dividing and multiply by root 3. What you will get? 90 root 3 by root 3 into root 3, you will get 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Okay, 30 root 3. In your problem, it is not giving that these your poles of same heights. Okay, the first pole is 30 root 3. Just substitute root 3 value. Okay, 30 into 1.732, you will get as 51.96 feet. Because it is given as feet, you have to write feet. It is meter, you have to write meter. So let's do another. Next triangle is your angle BDC. Angle BDC. Okay, BDC. So what is your BDC? Tan 45 degree equal to y by 90. So y by 90. So what is your tan 45? Tan 45 is nothing but 1 by 90. Cross multiplied it. What you will get? Y equal to 90 feet. Y equal to 90 feet. So first pole is 51.96 feet and your second pole is 90 feet. 90 feet.